Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. Go to the instruction for. My title is the EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel download and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. Graded has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is you notice that the 2021-2024 vision expenses row 10 is a duplicate of the expenses on row 8. You will delete the duplicate record. Select 10, delete row 10 that contains the duplicate record 3/21 and 2024 vision data. Delete the row 10. Select the row 10. 10 is the description is the vision. Type is right click delete. Question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is you want to move the 322 divided 2024 pharmacy expenses to be listed chronologically order and select and cut the row 11 that contain 322 divided 2024 pharmacy expenses and insert cut in the cell row 5. Cut the row 11. Cut the row 11 is pharmacy row. Right click cut and contain the and insert the cut cell row 5. Click row 5, right click and insert a cut cell. Paste the row pharmacy row. Question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is you decide to insert a column for additional data. Insert the new row column A and type the expenses hash in a cell A3. Insert the new column A. Select the column A, right click and insert the column A and type the expenses hash in a cell A3. Copy the expenses hash in a cell A3. Select the cell A3. Paste the expenses hash. Question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is in the new column you want to create a coding system consisting of the year, month and section number for the expenses and type the 2024 3-001 in the cell A4 and use the autofill to complete the expenses number to the range A5 to A11. Copy the dates in a cell A4 and type the dates, press enter button and use the autofill complete the expenses number to the range A5 to A11. Copy the value A5 to A11 and use the autofill complete number A5 to A11. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a after filling in the expenses number you will increase the column width to display the data and change the width of column A to 12. Change the width of column A to 12. Column A with this 12. Select the column A, right click and click a column with this 12. Click OK. Question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is the worksheet should have a title above the data and type the March 2024 medical expenses in a cell A1 and merge and center the title over the range A1 to J1. Copy the title March 2024 is medical expenses in a cell A1 and merge and center the title A1 to J1. Select the cell as A1 and paste the title March 2024 medical expenses. Press enter button. Merge and center the title over the range A1 to J1. Select the range A1 to J1 and go to the home tab, click alignment group, click merge and center. Merge and center the title A1 to J1. Question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is the title would look more professional with the some formatting. Apply the bold green font color and 40 pt font size in the title in a cell A1. Select the cell as A1 and apply the bold and green font color. Go to the home tab, click a font group, click a bold and green font color. Go to the font color is green. Green font color and 40 font size in a title. Go to the font size, click on 14, click on green font color and 40 font size is the title in cell A1. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is you decide to replace a lab with a laboratory to provide to more descriptive expenses name. Find all occurrence of a lab and replace them with the laboratory. Find all occurrence of labs and replace with the laboratory. Go to the Home tab, click Find and search, click Replace and find what is the lab and replace with is a laboratory. Replace with is the laboratory. Click Replace all. All done. We made two replacement. Click OK and click Close. Question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is the worksheet contains a spelling error that need to be identified and corrected. Check the spelling in the worksheet and correct all spelling error. Check the spelling in the worksheet, correct all spelling error. Go to the Excel worksheet. Go to the Review tab and go to the proofing group. Click Spelling. Do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? Yes. And spelling error. Check the spelling error. Click Change all and again change all. Spell check complete. You are good to go. Click OK. Question number 10 is complete.